Hey, back with the mukbang. Today I have a sandwich and I have a bowl of vegetable beef soup, which is like really hot. I also have some extra lettuce, extra Parmesan cheese, and then my water. And then I have a Diet Mountain Dew, or Diet Pepsi. Hopefully, I have the the camera set up differently this time, so hopefully. Oops. Hopefully I'm in view. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm so hungry. Today is Friday the 13th, I think. Okay. And it's just a turkey sandwich with lettuce, lettuce, shredded cheese, and mayo and mustard. I gotta go grab a napkin. Okay. I also grabbed some Doritos. I don't know if I'll eat any, but they just look good. So good. I brought a mirror because I don't want to be like talking with food on my mouth. I'm gonna try this soup now. Really good. I have not had like a sandwich and chips in a really long time, so this just sounded really good to me. I wish you guys could see the food. I'm really sorry. I just don't have anything else to put my food on. And yesterday when I made the video, and in there when I was saying I don't have furniture, the reason for that is because I just moved into this place and we are going to be getting furniture. We just haven't gotten it yet, so. I don't know if I said this soup is vegetable beef and it's the great value kind. It's so hot though. I am going to put some chips on my sandwich. Sorry, I'm not very talkative. I'm actually really tired and didn't really get that much sleep last night. This is like truly just hitting the spot right now. What's your guys' favorite sandwich? Or what's your guys' favorite like sub shop? Mine is probably Jimmy John's and Subway, but those are like the only ones that I've tried. Well, I've tried Blimpies, I think it is, but I didn't really like that one too much. Alright. The lipstick's gotta come off because it's getting everywhere. But this is really good, you guys. My sandwich is like falling apart though. I think I might have put too much lettuce on it. So freaking good. I have a habit of doing that. Like, I stuff my sandwich full of things and then it's just really hard to eat. So good. Ooh, thirsty. So do you guys have any plans for the weekend? I don't know why I say you guys, because I don't even have any subbies yet. Well, whatever, for the future when I do get some and when I watch this video. I don't know. There's just no nice way of eating this. It's just messy, but whatever. me and my daughter, well, mostly my daughter, made brownies yesterday. I don't know why I thought of this because it's really random, but and they turned out cakey. Like, her and I have been craving like fudgy, gooey, chocolatey brownies like for a week now. Mind you, my car doesn't work currently, so it's really hard for us to get rides to the store. Plus, we live in a town where there's no grocery store, so it's like 15 miles away. And we finally get a ride today, or yesterday. And she got the stuff with the brownies, made them, and they turned out cakey. Oh, I was so mad. I mean, they were okay, but you know, when you're craving something, and you want it to be a certain way, and that doesn't turn out that way. I think it's because she made a double batch, and it said for each box it was, one box was 2 eggs and the other was 3 eggs. And she asked me if she should use all those eggs, and I said yeah. But that was a mistake. I should have probably only had her use like 3. And then I think it's like the more oil, or the less eggs, more oil you use, is the brownies will turn out more fudge like. My nose is running, you guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, I feel like there's a hair on my face now. But yeah. I'm eating so messy right now. Good with the chips in it. So I don't know if I said what you guys, yeah, I did. But yeah, I'm not probably really gonna do anything this weekend. Really never do. And plus, we don't even have a car to do anything, even if we wanted to. So stay home, clean. I gotta go through my kids' clothes and hang them all up. And mine. Because right now we just have our clothes in the closet, but like just in tubs. I'm not a big soup person, but unless it's like homemade. But this is good. Sorry about my hair. It's frizzy. I put braids in it last night. Like French. If you see these fucking flies, I'm sorry. They have like a crack in our ceiling. Supposedly, it was like that when we moved in. Not really a crack, but, well, yeah, it's a crack, but I mean, I don't know. But they did fix it, but they didn't fix it all the way. So, they're gonna come back and finish fixing it. They said it was from when they moved the trailer and they set it down. They said sometimes that happens. But I think that's how they're getting in, because my house is not dirty and none of the windows are open. But I'm pretty sure that's how. They're driving me nuts though. Just broth left. That was delicious. I feel like that was a really quick and boring mukbang, but I just wanted to get another video up. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, ooh, excuse me, and please subscribe. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.